So in your first minute, showcase how you've used the tool. My name is Daniel Conrad. I'm going to be showing you how to put books on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. All right, so here's my Rise, Articulate Rise account. This is how to put Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing books on Amazon. So we're going to start the course using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Ever wanted to publish a book? Anyone can publish a book or ebook on Amazon. I'm a current author on Amazon. Anybody can do this. All you need is your social security number, a direct deposit to your bank account, and the ability to pay taxes from your account. So then we have an example of a book that I wrote, The Artist's Handbook, The Art of Using Ultraviolet Resonance Stained Glass. In order to publish a book on Amazon, you need a social security number. In order to get paid from Amazon, you need to directly deposit the profits from your book or books to your bank account. There's a yearly tax form on Amazon as well. All right, so here's another book I wrote on Amazon known as the STEM Workbook. And we're going to go into a process here. The first step is create a topic, aka find a topic on Amazon. The second step is to create a PDF or manuscript of the topic. The third step is to pass a review process on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, what we're going to do in this phase is, so here's the summary, the three-step summary. All right. So then we move on to our sorting process. So topics that can be made on Amazon KDP, what's required to complete on Amazon, then different formats or books. So social security would be what's required. Direct deposit would be what's required. Science would be a topic. Paperback would be format. Text form is what's required. Ebook would be format. Cookbook would be topic. Coloring book would be topic. Hardcover would be different format. Art would be a topic. All right. So this was my course basically. Now going back to the original assignment, in your second minute, explain how this tool can be used in your work as a future instructional designer. So the Articulate Rise, similar to Miro, this is what I did in the first step. This was my Miro. So both the Articulate Rise and the Miro can be used for instructional designers because it has a type of UI or UX design to it. Everything is pre-templated. Everything is pre-templated. So it's really, really effective in how pre-templated it is. It has a system of modeling to it, so I can go through the Articulate Rise. It's very similar to Udemy. It's like you have a front end and a back end to like websites. Well, this is a front end, or well, this is more of a back end to like a learning management system, right? So this is kind of like the layout of how Udemy is done. Udemy is like a course builder, very similar to Udemy. So this is how instructional designers can use it. So you can showcase content on here, pre-template it without coding, which is kind of cool. So that's how instructional designers can use it as well. All right. So in your final minute, discuss which tool you have chosen for your final project and why. So I would say Articulate Rise because truthfully, I have a Mac. It was easier to do Articulate Rise on my Mac. Um, I would say that Articulate Rise is pretty cool because it's pre-templated as well. It reminds me of Miro a lot. So it's very similar to Miro. I can say that it was effective. It was pretty much pre-templated. There was a smorgasbord of pre-templates that I could put on Articulate Rise and use on Articulate Rise. I just like the effectiveness. So I would go in here and then I could edit my content. And then what I could do from this would be, okay, here's the sorting. I could add text. Let's see what else. I could add more text there, or I can take this out. I could add a process. I have the process here, do another process there. I'll take that out as well. Let me try taking a look at sorting. I did the sorting there. So that was my course. I liked using Articulate Rise. Thank you.